Escape sequences in C language. Escape sequences are mainly used for screen formatting. That is, whenever we use to print some output, we need to print in a clear format. Sometimes we need spacing between the sentence or new line or a tab space like that. So these are used in the first argument of printf. Printf statement is used to print the output, and the first argument of printf statement consists of format specifiers and the another argument consists of the variables whose value is printed like this. Printf, in the first argument we are using escape sequence \n. After comma we used to write the variables whose value is printed by the printf statement. Escape sequences are preceded with a backslash. That's why it's called escape character, as it escapes from the normal interpretation of the next character. Whenever we use backslash with the character, it becomes escape sequence. Those characters whose meaning is defined with the backslash, these characters are called escape sequence. Here the thing to be noted that when backslash and the character whose special meaning is predefined in the C language, they both are called character. Even they consist of two characters, backslash and character, they are called a single character and also called the escape character. The combination of backslash and character gives new special meaning or behavior. Whenever we want to print double quotes, so it is already used to enclose the format specifiers in printf statement, and in that when we want to print double quotes, then we require escape sequence. Here are some examples. \p is used to backspace in the C program output. \n is used to new line. \r is used to carriage routine that moves the cursor to the beginning of the current line, like the home key in the keyboard. \t is used to give a space of 8 characters, that is horizontal tab. \double quotes is used to print double quote. \single quote is used to print single quote. \backslash we cannot print backslash, that's why we require escape sequence of backslash. So here we need to write 2 backslash to print a single backslash. Next is alert. It gives us single beep when we use print. So here we have discussed some escape sequences. In the next lecture we will use to do the practical of this escape sequence.